The perfect accompaniment to our volume charts is the extensive set of market metrics which we present to subscribers in each issue of Bend the Trend. These numbers are necessary to understand the full backstory of market dynamics each day that price and volume charts don't reveal. The first table shown here is a clip taken from a group of conventional market internal measures, commonly known as breadth. However, we extend the coverage to include momentum, new highs, oscillators, and many more. The second table is a clip from our trend and valuation series. These are all home-built, as it were, in that we put together hundreds of thousands of cells in dozens of models that extend the basic market metrics into some extraordinary views of past performance and future expectations on dozens of trading instruments. Furthermore, in our weekend edition, we take a longer view of market internals and add options, volatility, and risk analysis. You see, we're lifelong traders and therefore have a deep knowledge of what it takes to succeed as an investor. Thus, our models give perhaps the best picture of not only equity markets, but when necessary, FX and futures, as these can have a profound impact on equities. Finally, we've narrowed our focus in the newsletter to concentrate on understanding and projecting the state of price swing in numerous markets over 3 months' time. That is to say, knowing where the price highs and lows have been recently and where they're likely to be in the next 3 months. The last clip here is a bar graph of our S&P Trend Tracker, which illustrates this dynamic. This state of swing bar graph is not only a clear view of past and present, but it also allows us to project into the future, what the next high and low price levels will be. However, we can't tell you what day that'll happen. However, knowing the number enables us to call it when we see it. Thus, there is no ambiguity in the action necessary at that time. Buy the lows or sell the highs. With the ability to project price into the future, which this swing tool allows us to do, is why we've been sellers of the current market, which has hit the high tracking number projected weeks ago at 2,083 on ES futures. And here's a little gem for you. Currently, our next low projection is 1901 on the ES futures contract. However, we can't tell you the date that it'll happen. The bottom line is, whether we're talking base metrics, valuation, trend, volatility, or swing, our tool set enables us to do some exceptional things by way of guiding investors to the right side of the trade. Now, before leaving this page, drop down to the sign up button below and enter your email address for a free subscription to our blog. Thanks for considering Bend the Trend.